Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're navigating the world of taxes, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to add 1095A on Turbotax for 2025. This form is super important if you got health insurance through the marketplace, as it helps you report your coverage and claim any subsidies. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to make the process a breeze. Let's dive in. First off, what's a 1095A form? It's a statement from the health insurance marketplace that details your insurance premiums, subsidies, and coverage periods for the year. You'll need this to accurately file your taxes and potentially reduce what you owe or boost your refund. To get started, gather your 1095A form. It's usually mailed to you or available online. Now, log into your Turbotax account. If you're new, sign up and begin a new return for 2025. Once you're in, head to the Federal section, then click on Deductions and Credits. Look for the Health Insurance or Marketplace Health Insurance option. It might be under a submenu. Next, select the area to enter your 1095A information. Turbotax will guide you through fields like your policy number, the months you were covered, total premiums paid, and any advance payments of the premium tax credit. Enter each detail carefully, double-checking against your form to avoid mistakes that could delay your return. After inputting the data, Turbotax will show a summary. Review it thoroughly to ensure everything matches. If something looks off, go back and edit. Once you're confident, save and continue with the rest of your tax filing. One quick tip. If you encounter errors, Turbotax has built-in help tools or customer support. Always verify your entries to steer clear of IRS issues. And remember, getting this right can save you money. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips and tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.